Welcome everyone to HueFin. Today is August the 19th, 2020. And this video, we are going to talk about the value of gold and its next likely price move. So if this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, then join us on our website at HueFinancial.com. Now, it's our premise and our purpose here on this particular platform to give you all a heads up as to where the market trapper is going to try to take the value of gold. It's relatively simple to see and as well as easy to understand the gist of what the market is feeling and the likely price move. So you guys can see right here on this price chart that our expectation for the value of gold was for it to go higher. We saw back here on our last video that we did for gold, which was on June 21st, 2020, we expected the market in gold to go higher. And looking at where the market is today, it has exceeded our expectations as to how high we wanted to TP the market. Our TP was right there around $1,800, 3.2%. Okay, so at least following that video, you guys should have gotten out the market 3.2%. If you're still into the market now, you were to take profit, you'll be up 14.11%. It's that simple. Now, we may have plateaued as to how high the value of gold is going to go. We're going to have to look at the long-term view of what the market trapper has already accomplished to see whether or not the value of gold is going to continue to go higher. I know there's a lot of individuals in this space that continues to say that gold is going to go a lot higher, which is the expectation for the long term. But where is the value of gold going to go on a weekly, on a daily, on a monthly basis? Let's see. So let's start out the market in gold on the monthly chart, because you can see right here, based off this particular exchange, the market in gold for the month of August did in fact make an all-time high. We are a couple of days from concluding the month of August, and we can see here from the monthly chart that gold is definitely getting some profit takers, meaning that there are individuals in this particular market that is taking profits in gold. But you can still see here that the overall trend in gold is definitely one a higher price. Now the market is so overextended in the value, meaning that the value of gold has increased substantially at a relatively short amount of time, because we are trading well away from this overall trend that gold was following back during the months of April of 2019. So can gold take a break? It definitely can. And it already came and held an area very important for it to continue to see strength, which is right here around $1,900. If gold ever breaks $1,900 to the downside, then weakness is controlling and dominating the market. Understand that. So right now on the monthly chart, we're getting indications that there is weakness present. There is individuals who are taking profits out the market. Gold on a weekly basis concluded and have shown us that the last 2 consecutive weeks that the market in fact did take a beating. Now the trap, he took the hits. He accepted the selling that came in the last 2 consecutive weeks, because currently we're still seeing the value of gold closing above the close from last week. Can anything happen in the next 2 days? It sure can. But for the moment, we're still eyeing how gold is still relatively holding its own. Daily time frame. Gold, it's not that weak. So what I'm going to do, we're going to rearrange our one line that we have drawn on our chart so that we can track how overextended the market in gold really is. All right. And the trend is literally, this is the slope. This is how powerful the current move in gold is. Okay. So can we see gold just trade sideways over the next couple of days? Most definitely. Now, when you look at gold on an hourly time frame, you can see where restriction is coming into the market. Right there, $2,015. You can see it where, let me zoom in to help you all out. So you can see right here to where gold came and held support, and it held support during this particular time frame, and now it came and hit restriction. So there's still some indications that the market is taking profit at these particular price levels. Now, the market is weak on an hourly. Understand that. Support is right here around 1980. Okay. So we have restriction at $2,015. Support at 1980 from an hourly perspective. Gold 3-hour chart. Market is still hinting at some weakness in this space. So the forecast in gold, from looking at the market on the hourly time frame, is still giving us some hints that the market overall is giving us weakness. And you have to play with what the market is giving us. This is what the trap is delivering at our doorstep. Weakness. Now, I'm not telling you that gold is extremely weak, because it's not, but there's still weakness present. So we have to come and acknowledge that in this space for what it is. We're going to play just a tad of weakness in this forecast. That's it. Now, like I told you, 1980 support. Next area is going to be 1960. But take a look. The trend is still one of higher price. The longer that the market in gold trades alongside this ascending line that I got drawn on our chart, it will go higher for the long term. But we're playing this on an hourly, 4-hour, maybe on a daily time frame to continue to see gold go just a little bit lower. Okay? Because the overall market is not that weak. So we said that $2,015 was restriction. We're going to do around 2020 for gold. And TP, I mean, is relatively close to where we're already trading. I mean, we already acknowledged that 1980 is support. So we'll skim off a little bit there. About 0.42 is not much, but we understand that that's where the trap can actually hold support again. And then again at 1960. Okay, those two areas is where we'll hold out the market in gold. And we're not playing this for a long-term weakness play as a forecast, but generally just playing a little bit of weakness right now. Okay, the market will continue to go lower the longer that we trade below $2,020 or $2,015. Okay, now if we go above $2,020 tomorrow, then understand that this forecast is not correct. Okay, so you guys got questions or comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. I will see you all on the next one.